Sleep like a warrior. That means waking up with fire in your muscles, clarity in your mind, and that deep inner strength men used to carry naturally. But here's a truth most guys don't realize. Your body's highest testosterone production, deepest cellular repair, and strongest recovery don't happen in the gym. They happen when you sleep. And if your sleep is weak, interrupted, or poorly timed, no supplement, workout, or diet can fix what your nights are silently destroying. Today on BioWell Hub, you're about to learn powerful science-backed sleep techniques that upgrade male hormones, rebuild your body from the inside out, and help you wake up like a warrior every single morning. Let's start by understanding the simple but often ignored fact that testosterone isn't a daytime hormone. 90% of your daily testosterone release happens at night, especially during deep sleep. When you shortchange your sleep, your body shortchanges your masculinity. If you sleep 5 or 6 hours consistently, you can lose up to 10 to 15% of your testosterone in weeks. Low sleep means low drive, slow recovery, mental fog, irritability, and that heavy, tired feeling men think is just getting older. But it's not age. It's sleep debt, and today, we erase it. The first technique to sleep like a warrior is mastering your body's internal clock. Your circadian rhythm is like your hormonal command center. If it's out of sync, nothing functions the way it should. Testosterone tanks, cortisol spikes, and recovery slows to a crawl. The warrior rule is simple. Sleep and wake at the same time every day. Consistency turns your hormones into a predictable, powerful cycle. Your body learns when to wind down, when to repair, and when to produce testosterone at full strength. Even if you can't sleep early right away, start by waking up at the same time for 7 consecutive days. Your brain will naturally shift your sleep window earlier. The next technique is eliminating artificial dusk. Modern men drown in screens. Blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, suppressing melatonin, the hormone responsible for kicking off deep sleep. When melatonin is blocked, testosterone production drops. Your body stays in alert mode instead of repair mode. To fix this, create a 1-hour warrior shutdown ritual. Dim your lights, turn on night mode on your devices, or, even better, keep them away entirely. This 1-hour transition is where your brain switches from thinking to healing. This simple technique alone can upgrade your sleep depth and testosterone within a week. Now we move into the technique most men overlook. Deep body cooling. Your body needs to drop its core temperature to fall into deep, restful sleep. If your room is too warm, your hormones never fully activate their repair cycle. The warrior sleep range is 80 to 20 degrees Celsius. Cool room, warm blanket, that's the natural design of the human body for restorative sleep. If you can't control room temperature, take a warm shower 60 minutes before bed. It sounds backwards, but the warm water actually draws heat out afterward and lowers your core temperature, preparing you for deep sleep. Another powerful technique is breath control. Men today live in a constant state of tension, tight jaw, shallow breathing, elevated stress hormones. High cortisol at night is the enemy of testosterone. You cannot produce both in high amounts at the same time. One of the fastest ways to lower cortisol is warrior breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 1, exhale for 6. Longer exhalation activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural sleep switch. Do this for 5 minutes. Your muscles loosen, heart rate drops, mind slows down, and you slip into sleep mode naturally. Let's talk about something most men truly underestimate: magnesium. This mineral is responsible for over 300 biochemical processes, many of them tied directly to deep sleep and testosterone production. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation, reduces nighttime stress, and helps your body access slow-wave sleep, the stage where testosterone peaks. Modern diets are low in magnesium, especially for active men. Adding a magnesium-rich food like almonds, spinach, pumpkin seeds, or bananas in the evening is a small move with massive impact on overnight recovery. Some men choose supplements, but it's always best to start with food-based sources first. Now here's a warrior-level technique that changes everything. Sleep in complete darkness, not partial darkness, complete. Any amount of light, even the tiny LED on a charger or the glow under your door, can disrupt melatonin and reduce testosterone production. Your brain senses light even when your eyes are closed. Darkness tells your body, repair now. Heal now. Build hormones now. Cover leads with tape. Use blackout curtains if necessary, and make your room a cave of recovery. Another underestimated tool is grounding your mind before sleep. Many men go to bed with unfinished thoughts, work, stress, relationship worries, goals, deadlines. These items keep your brain active long after your head hits the pillow. A simple 3-minute brain dump is like, take a small notebook, write down everything that's on your mind, close it, and put it away. This tells your brain the problems are now stored safely. You free mental space, and your sleep becomes deeper and more restorative. Finally, remember this truth. Warriors aren't made in gyms or battles. They're made in the quiet hours of the night when the body repairs itself, rebuilds muscle, balances hormones, and prepares for the challenges of the next day. When you sleep like a warrior, you live like one stronger, sharper, calmer, and more powerful. If you want more science-backed hacks to unlock the strongest version of yourself, hit that subscribe button and stay connected with BioWell Hub. Your transformation starts every night when the world goes quiet. Now it's time to rest, rebuild, and rise like a warrior.